Tell Daddy what you're cooking.
Chicken!
Chicken. What else?
Yippee.
Chicken and dumplings? You making chicken and dumplings for supper? Who you cooking for? Who you cooking for?
Yippee.
Huh?
Yippee.
You cooking for your daddy and mama?
Daddy. Yippee.
Yeah. You cook a lot? You do? They go to work and leave you to do the cooking? Oh. You're awful little to be cooking. How old are you? How old are you?
Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy.
You hadn't had your second birthday just yet, have you? No? Well, you will pretty soon. Where's Papa?
No.
You don't know where he's at?
No.
Sleep, yes.
Papa, hey.
Yeah, you don't mess with that. That might hurt the baby.